Like, remember that one time Macy's was sending us breast pedals and underwear? Yeah. All the time. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, is it day 5 or 4? 4 or 5. Oh shoot. Now my phone just lit up. I don't know what day it is of Box Week. Hold on, let me think about this. It's gotta be day 4. I think it's day 4 of Box Week. We'll go with that. It's day 4 of Box Week. If you're brand new to YouTube channel and you're like, yeah, all the time. Click the red subscribe button. Join our little Instagram. Oh, Instagram. Join our YouTube family. But you should follow me on Instagram too. It's like the same, just like Drew. Same thing. Same everywhere. So today we're gonna be opening up a subscription box that I used to like hype like big time, and lately it's been a bit of a buzzkill. It's been a little bit of a bummer. That's gonna be the Allure Beauty Box. So Allure, I don't know what happened, but at the beginning of this year they were like whoosh, like way up there. Like they were like kicking butt, taking names. Like they were like crushing the subscription box circuit, and then like the last few months they just kind of like gave up. They put on their giving up pants and they just decided they didn't care anymore. That's what they decided. But anyway, so we're gonna open it anyway and just hope for the best, because I feel like we know how good Allure can be, so eventually maybe they'll just get it back again. It's $15 a month to get it. If you see this video and you're like, I don't care how good they were before, I want them now. So I think I have a little referral code down below in the box. Also, if you're wondering what Box Week is, basically it's where there's a new video every day for a week on my channel, and you're catching me on the 4th or 5th day of that. So I'm just gonna pop this open. On the top they have a little magazine that talks about everything inside the box, which got smaller and the bags are gone. Just gonna keep saying that. Just gonna keep on bringing that up till I get some information as to why. So right on the top we have e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer Universal Sheer. Putty Primer? That just sounds weird. What does this look like? Perfecting Putty Primer smooths the skin and preps it with squalane to help moisturize and grip makeup for all-day wear. The velvety texture glides over the skin, smoothing over imperfections for a poreless effect. Okay. Well, I mean, let's just look and see what it looks like, because I don't get it. Like, it sounds iffy, and it also says the word putty in it, so I don't know if this is the kind of thing I want to put on my face, but we're gonna look at it anyway. Have you guys used this? What do you think about it? Look at it. It's like a little thing here. Alright, wow. It looks like legit, just like silly putty. Can you see that? And it feels weird. Like it has, like it comes right off, but it feels tacky. Not like, you know what I mean. But we're gonna try it. Well, let's leave it at that. We're gonna try it. Also, I forgot to grab the giveaway box, the stockpile giveaway box. So if we put items in there tonight, just know that I'll put them in the box if I don't have it to like be all like, I got a giveaway box. Yeah, okay. Next we have Vichy Clarifying Charcoal Mask. Ooh, okay. All right, Allure, they're like, girl, shut your mouth. Let's just open the box. Just open the box. Just like Josh does that. He'll be like, shh, just chill out, girl. And I'm like too extra to chill out. So they sent us a charcoal mask from Vichy. I think I'll try it. I haven't done any like new charcoal masks in a while. Because charcoal, if you remember, like 3 years ago, everything was charcoal. Like everything. And then it like died down. It wasn't cool anymore. So I feel like charcoal is going to make a comeback maybe in 2020. We'll see. I don't know. Next thing that we have is Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. Ooh. There's also some like stuff on this. I don't know. Yeah, but Freeze 24/7 Anti-Aging Eye Serum. Let's see what this feels like. I don't really use eye serums ever. I use eye creams, but lately I've noticed I need to use some extra love on my eyes because my skin has been struggling. Every time the weather changes like this in Wisconsin and it gets real cold and gross outside, it's like I have to like up my skincare game. Because like in the summertime, doesn't matter what I do, my skin's just like, hey girl, thanks for showing up. And then now my skin's like, nothing is good enough for me. So we're just gonna see, okay. It's definitely like really watery and has like no scent to it, and it's almost like a little bit cooling. So that's cool, I guess. Next thing that we have is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in the shade Berry Mojito. Ooh, I love mojitos. I'd be living for them. And it's berry. We got like 2 like reddish lipsticks already this week in our boxes. Let's see what color this is. This is pretty. Look how pretty this is. Look how pretty that is. That's a pretty red. Should I just get a bunch of red lipsticks this week? I don't know. Should I try it on? Should I just put it on right now? I don't really wearing anything. Let's just see what it looks like right now. Let's see how. Oh my god, that's red. Girl. Girl. First of all, sorry how awkward this is that I'm like way up in the lens, but I'm doing it. Oh my god. This made my mouth look so huge. I don't care. I don't even care. I'm about it. I like it. Alright, cool. Next thing that we have is Clean Sweep. Way More Than a Cleanser by Curology. It's an entire skincare set for free. Hit us up for the rest of the routine at Curology.com/allure. So basically, Curology, I believe it's like this new, not like new, but like it's about like a year. Like you tell them like your skincare issues and then they like send you products. I've never actually tried them, but I actually don't really need cleanser right now, so I'm gonna put this into the stockpile giveaway, even though I think it'd be cool to try. I don't really like need it. And then finally we got That's Incredipeel Spa Strength Glycolic Resurfacing Pads to Smooth and Brighten from Bliss. It looks like they gave us like 5 of them. So I won't lie to you, this box actually ended up being a lot better than I thought. 5 resurfacing pads, that's awesome. This was actually a lot more awesome. This always happens. Like oh, I just kicked the camera. Every time I'm like, oh man, this box is just like gone in the toilet. Wow. Like, remember that one time Macy's was sending us breast pedals and underwear? And then now, here we are. So to recap the box, which I actually ended up keeping like pretty much everything in, we got the That's Incredipeel Bliss 5 resurfacing pads. We got the Clean Sweep Curology face wash, which I'm going to put into the stockpile giveaway because I don't really need any face wash right now. We got the Tarte lipstick in Berry Mojito. What do you think? Do you like it? I like it. We got this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which is like supposed to be interesting for your skin. We got the Vichy charcoal face mask. And then we got the under eye serum from 24/7. So actually this box is pretty good. I don't know, maybe they just had a couple weeks where they were just like riding the wave and then now they're making a comeback. I don't know. So maybe Allure's on the way back. Maybe it's, woo! I don't know. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and did not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of Box Week Art. Talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. Huh. And that's like everything in the box. I feel like we're getting less stuff in the boxes now. I feel like this is a good one. I just feel like it's less than it's supposed to be. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?